Alright. Hey guys, if you want to know how to make... Have you ever gotten annoyed by a ragdoll before and just want to see his body flip out? Well then, I got the trick for you. Yeah, my fizz gun's full, don't question. So you really have to do is you get this, and then you just pull it down, and look at... you shove him in the ground. Here, spawn it back in, spawn it back in. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my... Look at him, he's spinning around in circles!
He broke his legs, look at his legs.
He ripped legs! Hold on, wait. You wanna know how to make it worse? Here! No, it's like that kid that ran for Minecraft. You wanna see your legs break? You wanna see your red doll break? Here! Look at him, he's learned how to fly. Look at him, You still recording this, right?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh my god! Hold up in the sky. Where did he go? He's spinning around like Pinhead now. Oh,
oh he's doing himself.
Look at him! Oh my god! I sound like that one guy that has like the really high-pitched laugh. My god. Look at him, look.
Oh, look, he spun like a helicopter. Teleport me.
Where?
Teleport me. Look at him.
Oh my god. Why? Gary Newman, why don't you fix this stuff? Actually, don't fix it. We love this. He's like, no. What the? I thought he was gonna fly again. Here, one more time. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Ready? Bang!
Let go.
Bang! Oh my Oh my god! And that's what happens when Spider-Man sees an oven and it's thrown at him. Look at him, he's like a freaking helicopter. Oh my good god, that is so funny. He literally spins like a helicopter. Look at him. Here, hold on, let me make stop, come back here. No, come back here.
I think he's telling you no.
I can't breathe. I'm laughing so hard I can't breathe. Look at he's like, Ray! He's like Corey Epstein, where he's like, some of the Corey kids here and welcome back to how to fly 101. Get back here! I give up. Oh, I got him. Say so. Look at. Oh wait. You ready? What the? No. Say. Ready? Ready? You still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Okay. Bang! Oh my god. Oh, like, look at him.
Alright.
Where'd he go? What's he doing? Okay, that was faulty.
He's breakdancing. He's breakdancing. Look at him.
No, come here. You must accept your fate. No, come back.
He's flying around. Okay.
Okay, let's do the pinhead thing.
Look.
What happens if you throw him in the air? Yee! No, get back here! No, that's you. Come. As soon as I get my fizz gun out, he flies away. He's like, nope.